Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. We actually got the new car. It's right here in front of me. Oh, bro. Look at it, yo. The black badges. Like, it's not complete. Right now it's just the stock diffuser, stock muffler tip. A little bit too stock for me. Same with the front. I could definitely use like a front lip and stuff, but you know, slowly but surely cars coming together. And this is the diffuser I am going to be using. So it's glossy black. So pretty much the front one intake is gonna sit behind this kidney grill right here. So I'm gonna take this whole thing out, and I have to take the bumper off either way. Yeah, I'm not sure it's gonna look. I just wanted to test it out. This is the intake. This thing is huge, bro. That thing is bigger than my arm, bro. And this is the filter. So as I can see, that thing is huge, bro. It's gonna look crazy. I cannot wait to get it done. This video is mainly focused on what stage 2 feels like, and when I tell y'all, bro, it's an insane difference. I'm gonna show y'all everything, bro. You go here, bro?
Yeah, of course. I have an E92 335 that's just parked up.
What the f, bro? Bro, look at my tires, bro. Yo, what's going on, boys? I'm in my Christmas PJs. It is Christmas Day today, so Merry Christmas to y'all. This is the exhaust. I got some new exhaust tips. As y'all can see, it's not super quiet because I have the catless downpipe and I have an intake. The intake doesn't make the exhaust any louder. It just gives it a nice little swoosh when I'm driving. It's completely off, so it's just the downpipe. It comes right out. So I'm gonna give it a start up. Hear what it sounds like right now. Let me know if y'all think it's a little bit too loud. I don't mind it. For the average person, vicious, loud as fuck. So I'm just locking in for like 2-3 days or however long this takes. The ambient lighting on the inside, it's mostly done. There's still a few things I need to touch up. Took the whole thing down, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Damn, look how cool that is. Look at those little fans. Let me know what you guys think about it. I feel like it flows pretty well with the side skirts and everything, and from the back it looks super aggressive. I'm gonna bring the car outside though so you guys can see, but look at that also. I got the stars. Yo, that took forever, but it's definitely worth it. Let me know if you guys like it. As you guys can see, it says B58. It looks insane, I can't lie. It looks like a whole different car. Comparing the car to what it looked like on Monday to this right now, and it's a whole different car, bro. Boys, I just grabbed the Monster. I've never had this one, but that's not the big surprise. Let me show y'all right here. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek. As y'all can see, all right boys, so the car is done. Before I show you guys what the wheels look like, I just want to show you guys the interior. There's a star. I like to keep it on white or purple though. Let me show you guys the wheels. What's going on, boys? Back again with another video. We have a car meet today. I'm here with my boys Kelly and PJ. Check out the car real quick. I just watched it and if you guys mess with it, but yeah, that's a quick little walk around. This thing is clean for real though. I'm proud to say I built this all myself. This car has never been in the shop. But I was driving by this spot and my car looks sick here. Let me just show y'all again. That is sick. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some footage for probably like some shorts or something, because the car actually looks sick right here. And that thing looks insane. Looks like I crashed this thing. How low it is.